Hello, my name is Nina. I'm a teacher at the Community College of Quarantanamo and Kindberg, and today I'd like to present you a project that I made with my classes at the Community College together. It's a book project and it's very special. We started this project during the time the coronavirus started spreading in Austria. And of course, there were limitations, there were no classes at the community college, we couldn't meet, we couldn't talk to each other personally. So we had to find something on which we can work on, which is fun and a little bit entertaining. And so the idea to start a book project, a recipe book project, developed. This is a collection mainly of course, recipes, of pictures, of thoughts, of impressions that me and my students gained during this time. And my students were so nice and so kind to hand them in and share them with me. Okay, the following presentation should give you a short overview, a short insight into this recipe book. And I hope that we can welcome all students and future students at the community college again in autumn. Okay, bye and thank you.